Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make Chrome browser your default app on your Windows PC or on your laptop. Now you may want to make a particular browser your default app if you frequently use it. So to make Chrome our default browser, what you need to do is to go on the Start menu and then search for default apps. And default app option is here. Click on it to open. Now this will show you all the default apps that you are using on your Windows PC for different functions. For instance, the email, we have this. For maps, we have this. For music player, I'm using VLC. However, we are interested in our browser. From my list, Microsoft Edge is the default browser. I would like to change this so that I set Chrome as my default browser. To do so, just click on the browser and all the browsers that perform similar functions will appear on your computer. Go ahead and choose the one you are interested in. So for my case, I'll choose Google Chrome. And as you can see now, under web browsers, Google Chrome has been set as my default browser. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.